Welcome to Central Vapors. In this video, I am reviewing the SMOK Real Pod mod. Now, this is actually my everyday mod. It's definitely my favorite. I've used several countless mods. I'll go over why this is my favorite as we go through this video. Inside the box, right? Inside the box, you're going to get 2 tanks and the actual pod mod and a charging cable and then 2 coils. Now, there is a difference between the tanks. The clear tank is going to be your sub-ohm tank, and the darker smoky tank is going to be a regular tank. Alright, so this is the clear one, and this is the smoky one. To fill this up, you're just going to have to open up this red tab on the clear one, or lift the black tab on the smoky one. It's a little tricky at first. Once you get the hang of it, you start opening it up real nice and easy. And boom, just like that on the first and a half try, filling it up, you just grab your edges, pop that into the hole. It's a pretty wide hole, so you can get these, the drip tips all the way in there. You will not make a mess. Yeah, close this thing back up. Now, this thing has been full since this morning. I do vape this mod. This is my go-to. This goes from 1 watt all the way up to 40, and you can run a sub-ohm coil in the clear tank and a regular coil in the smoky tank. What's great about having the 2 tanks is you can have your salt nick in one tank and your regular nick in the other tank. You won't get that extra buzz hit. This rips really well. Let's go ahead and give it a rip. All right, you can put out some pretty good smoke for having a small mod. And the reason this is my favorite is because it does hit like a real mod. It does give good ventilation. It does have the variable watt, the 2 tanks. It also charges up in about under an hour. So I can go from like 20-30% battery to full charge in about an hour, maybe less, maybe an hour and a few minutes. And then it will last me all day. And I haven't charged this thing in a couple of days, and it's still actually ripping. I do have quite a bit of battery left. It also takes some abuse. The finish on this is the gold version. It does have a nice black carbon fiber type finish on these black panels. The other panels, they're metallic-y. I can't tell if it's like really good plastic or like some kind of aluminum or an alloy. And yeah, it's a good finish. I've dropped this a few times off my desk. Pick it back up and just start vaping again. And yeah, it doesn't look like it's scratched up. Now, this is my go-to for almost any activity. Just how small it is. It fits in any pocket. You can go out dancing. It's not going to be in the way. You can do what you want to do. It's great. It's actually my favorite, and that's why it's my favorite. You can check them out on our website for $29.99 or inside the store. Thanks for tuning into this video. You can check them out on our website or inside the store. Thank you for tuning in the video. If you're looking for a smaller, compact size mod with a really good size tank that gets good rips and variable wattage, check out the SMOK RPM. Thanks for tuning in.